May profits be upon you. Want to take a look at US dollar CAD? US dollar CAD, the Canadian dollar. Now, I'm looking at the weekly time frame right now, right? And what you can see is that price has been in a range, man. You can see the range starting here at the COVID high over here at from January 2016. That's not the COVID high. We're over here at the COVID high. All right. It's 2016. See how that worked out really conveniently over there. And then we have this range here. So it's been going from the top up to the bottom, to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, to the bottom to the top. All right. And here we are. And we are right in the middle of it right now. Right? That's one thing I want you to know. All right. This is an interesting place where price is at right now. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, let's look at it a little closer, and you can see there's a pattern, right? There is a horizontal, diagonal, excuse me, uh, resistance turn support here, and you have a trend line from the top, from that COVID high. That's an actual COVID high over there, uh, where it hits the top here, right? So we have this wedge pattern forming. All right. But you can see how perfectly price has found support here, right? Boom. If you buy from that bottom, you're going to be in the money, right? No problem. But here we are in the middle of this thing. Let's take a closer look at that. All right. This is the range, top and bottoms. You just want to buy from the bottom and sell from the top, right? In the middle, this is not a great place to be entering any trades because it can go either direction. It could turn around like it did here and come back down before going up, right? So, but I like the direction here. I like the push down, back to the middle, the push down, breaking that lower structure, those lows there, right? And then coming back up, all right, with candles that show some momentum to the upside. I like that. So, what I'm looking at is this level here, all right, at 1.35124. All right, you see all these little green dots. This is where we have interactions by price with this level as support, as resistance, as resistance, as support, as resistance, as resistance, turn support. We'll break through that support and come back, test it as resistance, coming back down. And here we are, we blasted right through with a close above that this level, this important level. So I'm looking to see if price is going to stay above that level. Are we going to get a fuller pullback to the upside, before it goes higher? That this is where I would like to catch my buys if it's going to go higher, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm not going to stay long with this, I promise. Okay, so here's our line. This is that middle line, and here we are. Price came all the way back up here. You see how we broke? We come down, made a lower low, lower high, lower low. We broke this structure to the downside. So you think, hey man, we're still going to keep going down lower. It may pull back, but I'm looking for price to keep coming down. That's not what happened. All right, price keeps going up. It looks like we might be basing out, and price may want to form an inverted head and shoulders here. All right, and continue up. I'm looking for that to happen. I'm looking for near term bearishness and longer term bullishness. That's what I'm looking for. If price manages to stay at or above this level, play around here up until Thursday GDP news, then I'm looking for a price to give me some bullish price action, and I'm going to take that to the upside. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not recommending you do anything because I'm not a financial expert or uh, a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who loves to trade with supply and demand, using smart money concepts and some and I like to share. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking for short-term bearishness for a longer-term bullish move. Okay, and this area right here, uh, it attracts me. So if price comes down to this this area, I'm going to consider it. I'm going to consider it a buy area. Price does make it down here. I'm going to put an alert here to say, hey, buy this. Boom. Right. And if I get that alert, hey, man, I might just go ahead and do that. Now, if price again plays around here at this level at 135.12 and gives me bullish price action, I might take that buy up here. All right. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. But I'm going to wait for the pullback. I'm not taking any, and I wouldn't recommend you take any trade, jumping in any trade at this point here. Let the market unfold and let it find its direction. All right. This may happen Monday night, Tuesday morning, something like that. And that's fine. I'm just going to be patient with it. But I want to see bullish price action first before uh, I take a buy. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you like this video. Please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.